Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10. If your Wi-Fi option is missing from settings, don't worry. I'll show you simple fixes step by step. Let's get started. First, check if your Wi-Fi is turned on. Press Windows plus A to open Action Center. Make sure Wi-Fi is on. Turn off airplane mode. Sometimes it's just a temporary bug. Restart your computer and check again. Now let's check your network adapter. Press Windows plus R. Type ncpa.cpl. Press Enter. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, and on-click Enable. Outdated drivers can cause this issue. Right-click Start button, open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your Wi-Fi driver and click Update Driver. If Update doesn't work in Device Manager, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will reinstall it automatically. Go to Settings and click on Network and Internet and select Status. Click Network Troubleshooter. Let Windows detect and fix the issue. Press Windows plus R. Type services.msc. Find WLAN autoconfig. Make sure it is running. Set to automatic. If nothing works, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet and select Network Reset. Click Reset Now. This will reinstall all network settings. That's it. Now you know how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 10 step by step. Thanks for watching.